Happy morning, friends. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, we are continue with the chapter number 6, playing with numbers 51 to 100. Now, till page number 75 you have done. Have you completed your homework? Yes, you are a good. So you have completed your homework. Now today we are going to learn from page number 77 to 83 that you have to complete it in maths textbook. Open page number 77. Okay. Page number 77, tens and ones. See how many. Count it. There is a strawberry. One strawberry means one. Two strawberry means two ones. 1, 2, 3 strawberry means 3 ones. 4 strawberry means 4 ones. 5 strawberry means 5 ones. 6 strawberry means 6 ones. 7 means 7 ones. 8 ones. 9 ones. 10 ones. Okay. So 10 ones equal to 110? Yes. 10 ones equal to 110. So this is the relationship between tens and ones. If there are 10 ones, it will make 110. Now turn the page and open page number 78. Make a group of 10 and write numbers. One example we have. See that. We can see the yummy ice cream cup. Now we have to make them in a 10 means 10 ones group, or you can say 110 group. Okay. Over here it is already made. And remainings are, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many tens are there? 1 tens are there. And how many ones are there? 7 ones are there. Okay. So 1 tens plus 7 ones. 17 means what? 1 tens and 7 ones. Let me explain you the another example. We can see over here the balls. Blue color balls. Now we have to make them in a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have made this as a group of 10. Okay. And remaining ball are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 plus 5, 15. So write over here 15. Now how many tens are there? 1 tens are there. We have make one group of 10 now. So 1 tens are there and 5 ones is there. So 15 means 1 tens, 5 ones. It is making 15. Okay. This remaining 3 you have to do by yourself as a homework. Now move forward with page number 79. Okay. Tens and ones is given. We have to write this. 3 tens, 1 1. So 31. B. 4 tens and 7 ones. What it gives? What it gives? 47? Yes, so write over here 47. Again, C, D, E, F. You have to do by yourself as an homework. Okay. Now, next question. Draw the garland for tens and ones for the given numbers. Write in tens and ones. Also total them. One has been done for you. One example already solved. Check it out. Okay, 2 tens. So for 10 pearls we have draw already 2 garland over here. And 2 is left. 2 ones means 2. So 2 pearl is over here. So 10 plus 10, 20. 20 and remainings are 2. So 22 is here. Yes. Now 4 tens and 5 ones. So how many garland we have to make over here? 4 garland of tens. 4 garland of tens we have to make over here. So draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I have draw the 4 tens, 4 garland. Now remaining 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what it will be? 4 tens means 40. 5 ones means 5. So it will be 45. Okay. The C and D you have to complete as a homework. Now open page number 80. Write tens and ones for the given number. It is also very easy. 14. 40 means how many ones? 14 ones. But what we have to write? Tens and ones. So how many tens are there? 1 tens are there. And how many ones are there? 4 ones are there. So at tens position there is a 1 and ones position there is a 4. So write according to that. Okay. Now B, C, D, E, F that you have to do by yourself. It is easy one? Yes. Okay. Now another question. Put the sign less than, greater than or equal to in the box. Okay. First of all, do you know the meaning of less than, greater than and equals to sign? Less than sign means the number is smaller than another number. Greater than sign means the number is bigger than another number. Equals to means the both numbers are equal. Both numbers are equals. Okay. Chalo, let's solve it. 6 tens and 2 1. 6 tens means 6 t plus 2. So 62. 2 tens and 6 1. 2 tens means 20 plus 6 1 6. 26. Now this number is bigger than this number. So which sign is come? Greater than. It is already done. Let me solve another example. Okay. 7 tens and 2 ones. 70 plus 2. This is 72. 9 tens and 6 ones. 9 tens means 90 plus 6. 96. Now 72 and 96. 72 is a small number than 96. Yes. So which sign will come? Less than sign. Okay. Likewise, you have to solve the another questions. Are you getting me? If the both numbers are equal, then we can put directly equals to sign. That is the very easy. Okay. Now move forward with the page number 81. Fun activity. Match the correct answers, then decode the hidden message. Now to we know that na, which number is that? Yes. Okay. 2 tens 4 ones means 24. 24 A. So over here written A. 3 tens 8 ones 38. 2 tens 27. Okay, 38. Find it over here. So it will come as over here. 27 here. So here come C. Remaining you have to solve by yourself only. You have to match this also. Right now I am not using scale, but you have to draw with scale only. Okay. Decode this hidden message. Okay. Now open page number 82. Number on the abacus. Let us see tens and ones on the abacus. This is your abacus. Here we see 2 sticks and some beads on them. Stick on the right side shows ones and stick on the left side shows tens. Ones and tens. Now we have to count it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write 9 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 over here. So what will be this number? 99. Okay. Are you getting me? Yes. Okay. Over here, next example. This is 1 1 and 10 ones, or you can say 1 10. It will be written like 10 is shown as over here 1 bead only, 0 bead only. So 1 0 and over here 0 1. Okay. Now let us practice on the abacus. Start from the right side. How many beads are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write 7 over here. How many beads are there? Can you see the beads over here? No. So write 0 over here. So your number is 7. So write 7. Okay. Then this number. Starting from the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write over here 4. and 1 is here. So write over here 1. So your number will be 14. Now next abacus. Count the beads. At 1's position there is a 2 beads. So write 2 over here. At 10's position there is a 2 beads. So 22. Your number will be 22. Now move forward with the page number 83. See the question. See the abacus and write the correct numbers. Also write tens and ones in it. Okay. This already we have seen. So that you have to do by yourself and write the number over here. Okay. Can I move forward with the next question? Yes. Draw the beads on the abacus for the given numbers. Also write tens and ones in it. Okay. 33. We have number over here. We have to draw the beads. How many beads are there? 3. And over here 3. Actually it is drawn. We get the blanks one. We have to draw the beads. Okay. I will do this example. 27. So at 1's position there is a 7 and 10's position there is a 2. So I will draw over here 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. And at 10's position I am going to draw the 2 beads. So over here writing 2 and over here writing 7. Okay. 9. We have to start it from the right side. So over here no beads are there and over here we have to draw the 9 beads. Remaining you have to do by yourself as a homework. So you have to complete this also. So student, you have to complete from page number 77 to 83. Okay kids, if you have any query, tell your parents to ask your maths teacher. In group there is my number. If you have a query, just make it call. Okay. Bye all. Have a nice day.